Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can get potato graphics in Fortnite. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, you will need some files in order to get potato graphics in Fortnite. For that, you will need to open any type of preferred browser and get to this Discord server. Once you have joined this server, simply get to the potato graphics channel and you can see there some files present. Simply download both of these files from the server onto your PC. After that, run the NVIDIA Profile Inspector as an administrator and you will see a dialog box just like this one. After that, type in Fortnite in the above search bar and click on this icon and then select Import Files from the drop-down menu. Now, select the potato graphics file as the profile and import it. After importing it, you will see a successfully imported message like this. Now, click on Apply Changes button and the potato graphic mod will be applied. If I run the game, you can see that I have now got the potato graphics. That's how you can get potato graphics in Fortnite. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.